So today, I want to show you 3 completely unique, impossible puzzles straight from my personal collection. And honestly, these are going to blow your mind.
Let's start with the first one, which is called the impossible bolt. Just look at this thing. Right in front of us, we have a perfectly solid wooden block with 2 clean cutouts, and right in the middle of this block, there is a metal bolt trapped inside. I mean, how is that even physically possible? There are no seams, no glue marks, nothing.
It is just one solid piece of wood. My grandfather showed it to me a long time ago when I was just a kid. He didn't reveal the secret to me back then. Instead, he just looked at me and said that if I could figure out how to get that bolt out of the wood without breaking anything, he would buy me a brand new bicycle. Man, I wanted that bike so bad. But unfortunately, I just couldn't figure it out back then. I spent hours staring at it, twisting it, trying everything, but nothing worked. It felt completely impossible. But hey, fast forward to today, and now I finally understand exactly how it works. And the trick is just brilliant. And hey, if it's not too much trouble, please show some love and support the channel by hitting that like button. If we get enough support, I promise I will do a full breakdown and show you the exact secret of how to make your very own impossible object in one of my upcoming videos.
All right, moving on to the next impossible puzzle in my collection, and this one is called the Luban Box. Now, full disclosure, I didn't actually make this one myself. I picked it up at a little souvenir shop a while back, but it was just too cool to pass up. Seriously, just look at it. It genuinely looks like an impossible object. The entire box is made of just 2 wooden pieces, and they are interlocked with each other in this incredibly intricate, mind-boggling way. In woodworking, this specific type of interlocking joint is called a dovetail. But here is the real kicker. How on earth do you actually open it? Is it even physically possible to slide these 2 parts away from each other? Like, at all? Check this out. If you give it a good shake, you can actually hear a faint clicking sound coming from the inside. Plus, you can clearly see a tiny gap right between the 2 wooden pieces, so there is definitely something moving in there. But what is the actual secret? Man, it drives you crazy trying to figure it out. Drop a comment below if you have any guess on how to solve this puzzle. And finally, the last impossible object in my collection today is honestly the strangest one out of all of them. This thing is just on a whole different level. Take a close look at this. Right here, we have a metal nut trapped directly in the middle of an arrow. But the absolute craziest part about it is that the head of the arrow and the tail, they don't look glued on at all. There are no seams, no lines, no hidden cuts. The entire arrow is completely one solid object. So, seriously, how is that physically possible? How did that solid metal nut get wrapped around the thickest part of a solid arrow? It literally makes no sense when you just look at it. Now, your first thought might be that the whole trick is actually in the nut itself. Like maybe it's a fake nut that splits into 2 pieces, or it's held together by magnets or something like that. But if you actually take it and try to pull it apart, yeah, good luck with that, because it's not going to happen. It is an absolutely solid, genuine piece of metal. So we are back to the same question. How on earth is this physically possible? Drop a comment down below because I am honestly so curious to see how many of you can actually guess what the catch is here. Is it a trick with the wood, a trick with the metal, or something else entirely? Let's see who can actually figure out the real secret behind this mind-bending object.